Your phone is always with you, on your nightstand, in your pocket, connecting you to the world. But every interaction leaves a digital breadcrumb. These breadcrumbs form a trail, a digital ghost of your movements and activities. For those who know where to look, this trail is surprisingly easy to follow. Your device broadcasts information, often without your explicit consent. Imagine finding a phone's location with just a few clues. This isn't science fiction, it's Osint, open source intelligence. Osint uses publicly available information to piece together a puzzle. Your phone is a major puzzle piece, leaking data into the public domain. Understanding this is the first step to protecting your privacy or conducting legitimate investigations. The process is about connecting dots. A phone number links to a social profile, which might have geotagged photos, revealing routines and locations. Each small data point becomes powerful when combined with others. This is the core of Osint, not hacking, but listening to what's already public. The secrets are hiding in plain sight. Before we go further, let's talk ethics. The techniques discussed here are powerful and can be used for good, like finding a missing person with consent, or for harm. Stalking, harassment, and illegal surveillance are crimes with real victims. This information is for educational and awareness purposes only. Using these methods without explicit, informed consent is unethical and illegal. The law is clear: privacy matters. Attempting to locate someone who doesn't want to be found can cause real harm. Do not use this information to intimidate, harm, or spy on others. The purpose is to build better defenses, not better attacks. Always operate within the law and with a strong ethical framework. If you're a parent, talk openly with your child and use official consensual tracking apps. If you're an investigator, ensure you have legal authority before searching. Osint stands for Open Source Intelligence, publicly and legally accessible information. It's not about hacking, it's about collecting and analyzing data anyone can find. This includes search engines, social media, public records, forums, and news articles. Osint is the art of finding the needle in the internet haystack. When tracking a cell phone, we're not pinging towers. We're using public data linked to the phone. A phone number is a unique identifier, often tied to online accounts and public records. The Osint practitioner's job is to find those links. For example, a phone number creates a Facebook account, which checks in at a restaurant, publicly revealing a location. Osint is about finding these voluntary releases of information. It's understanding how platforms connect and how a single data point can unlock a wealth of others. Legitimate uses include fraud investigation, penetration testing, and journalism. The question: what location information is publicly associated with this device? Osint uses public data to answer that. The process is legal, but intent and ethics matter. Let's see how it works in practice. The phone number is the most common starting point. Begin with search engines. Try different formats, with and without country codes. People often list numbers on blogs, business sites, or forums. A single result can link a number to a name and address. Next, use reverse phone lookup services, some free, some paid. These can reveal the owner's name, carrier, and sometimes a general location. Is it a VoIP or mobile number? Online tools can tell you, helping you adjust your strategy. VoIP numbers are harder to trace. Mobile numbers often lead to more data. Don't forget password reset forms. Enter the number on major sites. You might see a partially redacted email or profile picture confirming an account exists. This gives you new data points, partial email, photo, to continue your search, all without sending a reset request. With a name or email, your investigation expands. Search social media: Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, TikTok. Use details like city or state to narrow results. Match profile pictures from password resets to confirm identities. Analyze profiles for location info, current city, workplace, schools. Scrutinize photos for landmarks, street signs, or unique backgrounds. Pay attention to geotags, GPS data in photos, or manual location tags. Even if profiles are private, Friends' public posts can reveal locations. A friend's photo tag at a party can confirm your target's presence. The investigation isn't just about the target, it's about their digital ecosystem. Each connection is a potential lead. Social media is a gold mine for location clues. Data breaches are common, and once leaked, that data becomes open source. For Osint, breach compilations can connect phone numbers or emails to usernames, passwords, and sometimes addresses. Use sites like Have I Been Pawned to check if a number or email appears in a breach. The goal isn't to access accounts, but to use breach data for intelligence. A breach might link a phone number to a username. Search that username across the web. People reuse usernames, unlocking more profiles to investigate. Breaches can reveal old addresses, building a timeline of someone's life. This historical context helps predict current patterns. Accessing breach data requires caution. Legal and ethical risks are real. Downloading stolen data can be illegal. Only professionals with authority should use advanced techniques. For most, just knowing this vector exists is enough. Beyond basic searches, specialized Osint tools can automate and enhance your investigation. Tools like Maltego create visual graphs, mapping relationships between data points. Username search tools like Sherlock or What Is My Name scan hundreds of sites for a username. Every new profile is another potential source of information. Public APIs from apps can confirm if a phone number is registered, sometimes revealing names or photos. This is similar to password reset techniques, but uses different vectors. Public webcams and mapping services add another layer. Verify locations with live feeds or satellite imagery. Google Street View lets you virtually confirm locations found in photos. These tools ground your digital findings in the real world. The right tools make Osint faster and more effective. We've covered techniques from simple searches to advanced tools. You can gather a lot from just a phone number, but with that power comes responsibility. The line between investigation and intrusion is thin, defined by consent and legality. Misusing these techniques can cause real harm, like doxing and harassment. The same skills can protect or endanger. Your intent matters. Use this knowledge defensively. Search your own number, audit your profiles, and see what's exposed. Tighten privacy settings, remove geotags, delete unused accounts. For professionals, the stakes are higher. Your work can change lives. Always have a legal basis, document your process, and be ready to justify your actions. The best Osint investigators are masters of both skill and ethics. The integrity of the profession depends on responsible use. Never sacrifice ethics for a quick result. Knowledge is power. Use it wisely. Protect yourself and others. You now understand how Osint can reveal location information from a cell phone. The goal isn't to create digital spies, but informed digital citizens. Awareness is the first step to security. Audit your digital footprint, search your number, review your profiles, and see what's public. Update privacy settings, be mindful of what you post, and educate others. For aspiring professionals, let this be your starting point. Keep learning and always prioritize ethics. The skills you develop can make a real positive impact. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more on Osint, privacy, and security. Stay informed, act responsibly, and use your knowledge for good. The power to protect is in your hands. Use it wisely.